Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Keeper Tax. Keeper Tax, a comprehensive review for freelancers and gig workers. Keeper Tax is a cutting-edge tax software solution created specifically to simplify the tax filing process for freelancers, gig workers, and independent contractors, helping them maximize their deductions. If you earn income outside of traditional employment, Keeper Tax can be an invaluable tool for organizing your finances, tracking expenses, and minimizing your tax burden, all without the usual stress. A key feature of Keeper Tax is its automated expense tracking. After linking your bank and credit card accounts, the software analyzes transactions in real time, identifying potential write-offs. From mileage and home office expenses to subscriptions and supplies, Keeper Tax helps ensure you claim every deduction you're entitled to. The platform utilizes machine learning to continuously refine its accuracy and offers a user-friendly, text-based interface for categorizing and tagging expenses. Beyond expense tracking, Keeper Tax streamlines the entire tax filing process. It generates IRS-compliant reports, including an itemized breakdown of deductible expenses and essential forms like Schedule C for self-employed individuals. This simplifies filing, whether you choose to DIY or provide the reports to a tax professional. Furthermore, the app provides on-demand access to licensed tax professionals who can address specific questions and offer personalized guidance. Accessibility and simplicity are hallmarks of Keeper Tax. The intuitive mobile app is ideal for busy freelancers needing to manage their taxes on the go. No tax expertise is required, the user-friendly design and intelligent recommendations handle the complexities for you. Moreover, Keeper Tax helps you stay prepared throughout the year with helpful reminders and tips to avoid surprises during tax season. In short, Keeper Tax is an excellent solution for gig workers, freelancers, and small business owners seeking to improve organization, maximize deductions, and make tax time less daunting. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and dependable tax solution, Keeper Tax might be the perfect fit. Explore the links in the description for more information.